Hello, good day everyone. Let's try to solve this question. And in this question, we find the product of x, y, and z. And the given data is log x with base 2 plus log y z with base 4 it's equal to 3. And the second equation is log y with base 2 plus log xy with base 4 it's equal to 4. And the third equation is log z with base 2 plus log product of xy with base 4 it's equal to 5. Let's start. First of all, we recall some log rule. As we know, log n with base b plus log m with base b, it is equal to log product of n and m with base b. Now look at the first term of these three equations. This will become a log x with base 2 plus log y with base 2 plus log z with base 2. So we can write this as a log x, y, z with base 2. And look at the second term. This is a log yz with base 4. This is a log xz with base 4. This is a log xy with base 4. If we add, then we can write using this log rule. This will become a log yz multiply xz multiply xy with base 4. We multiply all this value. The right hand side is 3 plus 4 plus 5. It is equal to 12. Now we simplify this term. So this will become, we copy the first term log xyz with base 2 plus log 4 x, and x is equal to x square, y multiply y it's equal to y square, z multiply z is z square it's equal to 12. And in the next term we can write this second term as a log 4 xyz whole power 2 it's equal to 12. We copy the first term, which is log xyz with base 2. In the next step, we use a log properties for, so first of all, recall a property. As we know, log n with base b, it is equal to log n with base p divided by log b with base p. This property is also called a change of base property. So we apply this property in first and second term. Divide this by log 2 with base 2, and we can write this as a log product of xyz whole square with base 2 over log 4 with base 2 it's equal to 12. We choose log with base 2 for a purpose, and the purpose is to simplify the denominator because we have the base 2 and base 4. And we know that the 4 can be written as a 2 multiply 2. And we know that log 2 with base 2 it's equal to 1. So this will become a 1, and this is a log 4 with base 2. So we can write this as a log 2, and the 4 is equal to 2 multiply 2, and this is equal to 1, and 1 multiply 2 is 2. So this is equal to 2 and this is equal to 1. So this will become a log product of x, y, z with base 2 over 1 plus log, this will become a product of x, y, z whole square with base 2, and this is equal to 2. It's equal to right hand side is 12. Now in the next step, we multiply this equation by 2. So this will become a 2 time of log product of x, y, z with base 2 plus this 2 and 2 will cancel. We just get a log product of x, y, z whole square with base 2, and 2 multiply 12 is 24. Now in the next step, we apply a property on second term n raised to power k with base b. It is equal to k time log n with base b. So we apply this property in second term. We copy the first term log product of x, y, z with base 2 plus, so we can write this as a 2 time of log product of x, y, z with base 2, it's equal to 24. Now look at this. This is a log 2 time of log product of x, y, z with base 2 and plus 2 time of log product of x, y, z with base 2. So this will become a 4 time of log product of x, y, z with base 2. It's equal to 24. Now in the next step we divide this equation by 4 on both sides. So this 4 and 4 will cancel. We just get a log product of x, y, z with base 2. It's equal to 4 ones are 4 and 4 6 are 24. And in the next step we recall a log property. As we know, log n with base b, if it is equal to x, then this implies n is equal to b raised to the power x. So using this property in this equation, we can write this as a product of x, y, z is equal to 2 raised to the power 6. And 2 raised to the power 6, it's equal to 64. So the product of x, y, z, it's equal to 64, and we have done. Thank you.